Today's video models still get confused. Can a video model reason about the world?
We investigate 5 core pillars of reasoning. Transformation for spatial temporal continuity and change. Spatiality for intuitive 3D and Euclidean understanding. Abstraction for discovering rules and making deductions. Perception for sense datum intelligibility. Knowledge for understanding how the world works. This dataset is over 1,000 times larger. Scaling with this dataset shows early signs of intellectual emergence. Precise spatial matching through visual deduction. Predicting fluid equilibrium by internalizing gravity. Accurately identifying colors and shapes. Maintaining 3D consistency under a large rotation. Faithfully executing instructed transformations. Join the community at video-reason.com to define the next paradigm of reasoning.